Welcome to the Natural Sciences Education and Outreach Center at Colorado State University in Fort Collins, Colorado. The EOC serves CSU faculty and students, as well as 4th through 12th grade students and educators through our programs. These include STEM experiences where research questions, data collection and analysis, interpretation, and scientific communication are woven through each of our programs. STEM educational kits that are created based on current scientific research. A STEM kit lending library where teachers and informal educators can check out a classroom set of kits for a week at a time on a wide variety of scientific topics. And mentoring of pre-service and in-service educators, as well as K-12 students. The EOC collaborates with CSU faculty, national parks, and citizen science programs to translate their scientific research into unique STEM experiences for 4th through 12th grade students in order to inspire the next generation to want to learn more about the sciences. The STEM kits created and produced by the EOC are meant to enrich the science classroom as extensions to the curriculum. It is our hope that teachers use our STEM kits to promote an environment that stimulates self-motivated student learning, the ultimate outcome of a student-centered approach. Each kit is meant to be used by no more than 2 students at a time and contains most of the materials needed to explore some really interesting scientific topics. All kits focus on scientific process, scientific illustration, data collection and analysis, and the communication of results. The STEM kits are designed to be student-centered, guided inquiry explorations. Paired students work at their own pace while the teacher takes on the roles of facilitator and guide. The students become the scientists and utilize a science notebook for recording observations and reasoning. The EOC has a growing inventory of STEM educational materials available for loan to Colorado teachers. More information about each of the kits can be found on our website. In order for an educator to borrow a classroom set of our kits, they must complete a request application and a feedback survey, which is done after returning the kits to the EOC. Beginner-level kits require little to no student-teacher interaction and can be checked out by any educator. These include plankton to plastic pollution, really ancient fossils, and soil carbon. Intermediate level kits require some student-teacher interaction and can be checked out by educators who have 1. Attended a STEM Friday with their students, or 2. Attended an EOC keynote featuring a STEM kit, or 3. Successfully borrowed and returned kits in the past and completed feedback surveys for each one. These include Ankline pools, Get Critical, Get Energized, and Solar Cars. Advanced level kits require quite a bit of student-teacher interaction and vigilance by the instructor in order for all students to have success. These can be checked out only with EOC staff approval. They include High-Tech Rocks, Secrets of the Hibernators, Vital Ice, and our Hominid Skull Set. Here's a sneak peek of new kits that are currently in development and close to being ready for lending. Bees Please is about pollinators and will be a beginner-level kit. Going Viral is about the human immune system and will be an intermediate-level kit. Chemometers is about low-cost chemical detection devices and will be an advanced-level kit. The EOC is the host for the state-level science fair competition for students in grades 6 through 12 in Colorado. Participation in an independent research project can be a very rewarding experience. Students use the full range of science, technology, engineering, and mathematical practices to make sense of natural phenomena and solve problems that require a deep understanding of the topic area. All students who wish to participate in the CSEF must be a Colorado student in grades 6 through 12 and participate in only one regional science fair located in the county where they go to school, and be chosen by that regional fair to represent that region, and agree to abide by all International Science and Engineering Fair, CSEF, and Regional Science Fair rules, regulations, and policies that currently exist regarding pre-college science research. The 2021 CSEF will be held virtually via Z-Fairs. Grand Awards judging interviews will be conducted on April 8th. Special awards judging interviews are yet to be determined, as are the awards ceremony and other CSEF activities, such as the keynote guest speaker. More information about how to support students doing independent research projects can be found on the CSEF website. Teachers can also contact the CSEF Director, Courtney Butler, via email or phone. The EOC also hosts a week-long summer camp for students entering 10th through 12th grades the following fall. Participating students explore current scientific research from a variety of fields, such as the mountain pine beetle infestation, invasive plant species, dendrochronology, groundwater quality and quantity, geographic mapping, evolution and natural selection, solar energy, etc. To find out more about the Natural Sciences Education and Outreach Center, please visit our website, and feel free to contact any of our staff members with any questions you may have about our programs. Thanks for visiting us.